I'm going to show you how to tie a hook on the end of a line with a Palomar knot. We're going to use this heavier line for demonstration purposes so you can hopefully see a little bit better what's going on. Take the end of your line and overlap it. Make a loop with the end and put that loop through the eye of your hook and tie one overhand knot. And then take the end of that loop and put it over your hook. And then tighten things up. And again, all of this would slip a lot easier if it was monofilament line. But there's your Palomar knot. The Palomar knot is just another way to attach a hook to the end of the line, and it's personal preference as to which knot you prefer. And it's just another way, another knot to tie a hook on the end of a line.